Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by preparing everything you need. Don't delay. Hold the Auto Gele so the labeled front faces you and align the center with the crown marker on your head. Use a comb and edge control to smooth hair into a low, neat base. This prevents lumps and lifts. Once placed, press the built-in clasp or knot lightly to test tension, comfortable, not restrictive, because correct placement determines symmetry and durability for the entire style. Now you shape the gele by creating balanced pleats. Start at one temple, then the other, and make mirror folds so both sides match. While you fold, maintain even tension so pleats sit flat but still allow slight movement. This avoids tightness and fabric slip. Once the desired shape is visible, pin at the hidden underside, secure near the clasp and at the nape. Make sure to tuck any raw edges inside the folds so the finish stays clean and professional. Finish by smoothing visible edges with a small amount of edge control so flyaways settle and the silhouette reads crisp. Once done, wrap a soft scarf over the gele for 10-15 minutes to set pleats. This helps fabric memory and longevity. Make final checks. Look for symmetry, test comfort while moving your head, and adjust pin placement. If the gele slips later, retension the pleats. Insert a pin into the hair base, not just fabric, and reinforce the clasp area to stop movement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.